Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Meme. So guys, I know you all have missed me so much. I've missed you guys too. I am so sorry. I have been so busy, but today I brought something different, something amazing, something sweet. So guys, today I will be showing you how I make my pink lip balm. You know, this pink lip balm is 3 days action. How you can make your 3 days action pink lip balm. Look at this, is it. This is how yummy it is inside. This is how it is inside. So all you need to do is stay tuned and let's go right into the video. Okay guys, so at first what you need is a clean bowl, a clean plate. As you can see, it is well sterilized and clean. The first thing you will need is a bowl and a spoon. If you have a spatula, you can use, but I prefer using spoon. So after that, we're going into our base cream. This is our base cream, CAROWHITE. We all know CAROWHITE. We'll be using CAROWHITE as our base. Then our Keratin black spot corrector. As you can see, Keratin BSC. We'll be using 2 of this because I'm making it in large quantity for a client. For our oils, okay, we'll be using shea butter. This is our shea butter. We'll be using shea butter for this. For exfoliation, we'll be using, for our oils, we'll be using CAROWHITE oil. You can see CAROWHITE oil. This is an old pack, but I just had to put it on the pack so that you can recognize it. This is how it looks. These are CAROWHITE oil. Okay, these are mint oil. As you can see, these are mint to give us that minty look, minty feeling. This is our pink coloring. You know, there is no pink lips without a lip coloring or a food coloring. These are pink food coloring. Then this is our fragrance. It's almost finished. It's been very long. I had it. These are fragrance. It's a banana flavor. So this is our glycerine. This is our glycerine. If you want to make any product, just go to any organic shop and tell them glycerine. They will give it to you. So this is our BETASOL lotion. We'll be using this BETASOL lotion. As you can see, this is how it looks. This is our BETASOL lotion. Then this is our citric acid. This is our citric acid. What citric acid does to the lips is to exfoliate it, to help peel off the dead skin cells. All right, so this is our kojic acid. Kojic acid also helps in exfoliation, as you can see. So guys, these are my containers. I'll be using these containers because I'm making in large quantity for a client that I will be delivering to her tomorrow. Then these are my stickers, Meme's Beauty Lip Balm. Yeah, these are my stickers. So wherever you see any pink lip that has this pink sticker, you just know that it is Meme's pink lip balm. All right, so these are preservative. It's almost finished. As you can see, it's almost finished. I will manage it like that. All right, so for more moisturizing, we'll be needing our lip gloss because Harmattan is fast approaching. You all know we'll have just few days to Harmattan or few weeks to Harmattan. We'll be using this lip gloss we'll be using the lip gloss for moisturizing, to moisturize our lips in order for it not to get dried and rough. All right, so let's dive into it. Okay, so we'll be going in with our Caro Whites. I'm making it in large quantity, so I will add. Okay, I still need to add more. All right, so this one is still not enough. I'll add more. You know, if you're making in large quantity, you can still purchase more of the Carotone BSC. I didn't get more because mine was finished and I needed to do this urgently. The person needs it urgently, so that's why I am making it with just 2 Carotone. So I will be adding my Carotone. This is how it looks. All right, this is how it looks. Oh, okay. Make sure if you're doing this, you are wearing a hand glove. I am not wearing a hand glove because mine is finished. You have to be conscious of it, mostly the oils, in order for it not to damage your skin. All right. Okay, I'll have to stir it together. Oh, my container is very small. Okay, so I will add the shea butter. I will not dissolve it. Yeah, I will not dissolve it. This is organic shea butter. It's not like our normal shea butters. This is an organic one, so we'll be adding half a tablespoon of it. You know what it works? It helps in moist. It helps moisturize. Yeah, it helps moisturize the lips. You know, your lips needs to eat a very delicious meal. You have to treat your lips as much as you treat your stomach. Yeah, because nowadays you have to look sexy, not just putting on wigs, wearing expensive clothes. Then when we look at your lips, it will be like that of I don't know what to call it, but I know you understand what I'm saying. So we have to turn. I am trying to stir the shea butter and the creams together. Okay, so I later transferred it to a bigger bowl because I wasn't able to mix it very well. So I have enough space to mix my shea butter and my base cream very well. So if you are making this recipe, all you need to do is to mix very well. Mix. Since you're mixing with your hands, you need to mix very well so that your lip cream will be so nice. it will not look dirty or irritating. You have to mix it very well. All right, so we are going in with our oils. So the first thing we need, the first oil we're going in with is our CAROWHITE oil. I will be adding 3 tablespoons of it. One, 2, 3, but I am not satisfied. I'm adding more. 2 more. 4, 5. All right, so I'll be going in with my glycerine. I will be adding 2 spoonfuls of my glycerine. All right, then we'll go in with our BETASOL lotion, our BETASOL lotion. All right, 2 tablespoons will do. Yeah, then we'll be going in with, this is our fragrance. All right, pardon the container because it's been long. It's been a very long while. These are fragrance. 1 tablespoon will do. Then our preservative is finished already. Preservative. Then we add our mint oil. I want it to be minty. You know that feelings now when you use a minty stuff, it feels so nice. So I'll be using 2 spoonfuls of it. All right, so I did not add my powders yet, but I'm going to add it now. So this is my citric acid. I wouldn't want it to touch my skin. This is my citric. I am going to stir this very well. You know why I did not add it? Because I want to add it on top of the oil so that it will dissolve so fast. All right, then here comes our citric acid. I also did not add it because I want it to dissolve on the oil. I will be adding half a tablespoon. I'll be dissolving it with the oil, as you can see. So it's time to stir. It's time to stir. You stir it till you get what you want. A food color. You will not just add everything at once. You add it gradually till you get the desired color you want. All right, you add it gradually. So guys, this is our final look. This is how yummy. This is how our pink lips looks. This is how it looks. So I will be showing you guys how I package it. All right, okay guys, so this is the finishing. This is how our pink lip balm looks inside its container. So guys, if you want to purchase, or if you do not have time to purchase all the ingredients to make your pink lip balm, all you need to do is send a DM to the number that will be showing on your screen. Send a DM to that number and I will get it delivered to you. All right, so this is it. This is Meme's Beauty lip balm. This is our lip balm. This is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to thumbs up our video. Do not forget to comment. Do not forget to like. Do not also forget to subscribe, because it's your subscription that will still keep us on YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, leave a comment on the comment section. Any video you want us to make for you, just leave it on the comment section and we will do it for you, because we are here to serve you guys better. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for waiting. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in my next video.